Hello fellow carb lovers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Instant Pot on the manual pressure cooking setting to cook a variety and assortment of different foods so conveniently. You can cook your dry grains, your rice, quinoa, oatmeal, any type of grain, any type of dry bean without having to soak it overnight in a matter of minutes. You can throw a whole yam or sweet potato in there and just have it ready to go in minutes. And cut up, it cooks even faster. These are great for making home fries or just taking on the go. You can throw a whole head of cauliflower or broccoli in there. Now your Instant Pot has multiple different functions, so I'm just going to be showing you the manual function. And I will link below to a cheat sheet that has all the times and water ratios for the various foods that you can cook in your Instant Pot. Your Instant Pot is likely going to come with a steamer tray for your bigger items, and it's nice to have a steamer basket of sorts for your chopped items. I recommend that you experiment with your own times and see what works for you for your different favorite staple and foods that you're going to be cooking. Definitely take some experimentation, but super easy and convenient and a must-have in any carb lover's kitchen. All right, let's get into it. But first, I would like to tell you about my free vegan weight loss masterclass. I go in depth on how you can achieve effortless weight loss without dieting or restricting yourself on a vegan diet. The link is below and in my bio. All right, let's get into it. Instant Pot yams. Just take our yams, throw them in there with the steamer basket. And that's it. The only maintenance issue I've had with my Instant Pot is when this rubber seal is not completely seated and pressed firmly against this rim here. Double check every once in a while and make sure that this rim is seated nice and firmly against that little ridge there. I hope you got something out of this video. Please like and comment below so I can hear from you, and I'll see you on the next one.